What are the symptoms of a pet allergy? Do you think that you may have a pet allergy? If you do, you may be curious as to what some of the symptoms of having a pet allergy are. If this is information that you would like to have, you will want to continue reading on. When it comes to pet allergies, it is sometimes difficult for some individuals to determine if they truly do have a pet allergy. This is because some of the symptoms that many individuals experience can be caused by other allergies or another, completely different medical complication. That is why it is advised that those who think they may have a pet allergy seek medical advice. Although the symptoms of having a pet allergy can sometimes be related to another allergy or another medical issue, there are many common symptoms. Sneezing is one of those symptoms. If you regularly find yourself sneezing when pets are present, most commonly cats and dogs, you may have a pet allergy. In addition to sneezing, those who experience a runny nose or those who have nasal congestion may also be suffering from a pet allergy. As with sneezing, it is important to determine if these symptoms are present when you are around pets only. This is because these symptoms are not only present with other allergies, but they can also sometimes be attributed to a cold. Another related symptom to these pet allergies symptom is that of post-nasal drip. Itchy or watery eyes are another common symptom of having a pet allergy. If you experience itchy or watery eyes when you are around a cat, dog, or another pet, you may have a pet allergy. As for why itchy or watery eyes are a symptom, it is because the pet dander, which many sufferers are allergic to, can get into the eyes and cause irritation, especially when rubbed more. A skin rash that may resemble an eczema outbreak is another sign or symptom of a pet allergy. In fact, eczema is most commonly associated with trigger factors that individuals are allergic to. A rash is likely to develop after you come into close contact with a pet or dog, especially if you held or pet the dog. Should you develop a skin rash, it is important not to itch, no matter how much it feels like you need to do so, as more skin irritation can occur. Unfortunately, those individuals who suffer from pet allergies are also likely to suffer from asthma as well. The two combined can lead to painful and irritating symptoms, which tend to include lung congestion, shortness of breath, and wheezing. If you are unable to use medication to seek relief right away, medical attention may be needed. As it was previously stated, some of the symptoms that many suffering from pet allergies experience can be attributed to other complications. The good news is that it can be relatively easy for you to tell. For example, most individuals experience problems and see the above-mentioned symptoms displayed within minutes of coming into contact with a pet. This is a good way to tell if you are suffering from a pet allergy, not another allergy or even a common cold. As for what causes these symptoms, most individuals are allergic to animal danger, which is the skin that an animal flakes and sheds. With that said, some do experience problems with animal urine, pet hair, and saliva. A doctor or a few experiments performed safely at home can give you a better idea as to what from a pet is causing you to have an allergic reaction. Speaking of which, it was previously stated that some individuals have problems with pet hair. That is why